Hi, I am Melanie Kate and today I am back with a craft video, a DIY home decor for autumn. If you remember last year we made pumpkins or autumn-like pumpkin type things. Mine looked more like an apple but out of a toilet roll and then fabric. This year we're using, well for this one we're using stuffing, like toy stuffing and fabric. So this is my little cute pumpkin. Here. It's really easy to do. It's no-sew DIY and you can do it in about 10 minutes, just under. So you can continue to watch and I'll show you everything you need, how to make it, and within 10 minutes of having stuff and doing it, you'll have a perfect little pumpkin. So you need some autumn kind of fabric. Obviously we're making a pumpkin, so I want the orange and white as such. So I think I'm going for this one, but you can use whatever you want. Obviously last year for the toilet roll one, I used the dark, deep orangey red colour with the spots, which looked more like an apple, but that's totally fine. You can obviously use orange as well, plain orange. So you need, this is a fat quarter basically. And then I've got the green spotty fabric that I used last year for the leaves. I've got that again. You need a bag of stuffing, you probably only need a little bit of it. Garden string. And then I think I'm going to use pinking shears, but if you don't have pinking shears you can use just normal scissors. And potentially a glue gun, but we'll get that once we need it. So you need to work out how much stuffing you've got to how big a circle you cut it out. So we're going to try that now. You can even probably fold it in half and do it, couldn't you? A quarter. Just do semicircle, half, quarter circle. Cut it big and then I can cut it smaller. If you're not good at drawing circles like me, cutting circles, you might want to just draw it. Always cut bigger than you need, just in case. But there we go. And then you've got your circle, kind of. And you can see, I don't think you can see, the edges are zigzag now for me because I used the pinking shears. Obviously this makes it less frayy because of that, but if you haven't got that, obviously you don't have to. This is the amount of stuffing we've got. So this is probably too big, is it? No, maybe not. So basically, you might not even need scissors. You're just going to gather it all up into a ball. Like that. Just make sure that is all in tight, like that. And then you can tie some string around that. If you put elastic band, might help actually at this point to keep that on place whilst you play around with the sides and whatnot. So we've just got elastic band, and now I'm just going to tie this round the middle of your knot. So with the elastic band now on, you can pull a bit out. Obviously you want to make sure all of the edges are tucked in. But that looks quite cute as a pumpkin kind of shape, doesn't it, Mum? I'm going to use my glue gun now because I have decided I'm going to. But you can obviously tie on your leaves now around here. So I'm just going to cut a bit of this green with the pinking shears again. I kind of did it like that so it was leaf shaped, that even if I now tie a bit of garden thread around it, that it will work. But this is how big they are, so you just want to, obviously if it's too big you don't want it too big on your pumpkin, but that's probably quite nice on mine. We're going to do the top bit now as well. So with your string you need to cut a bit off, quite a bit. obviously are going to tie the string on round the elastic band. I've decided I'm keeping the elastic band. Do you need it back? Mm. Obviously you could cut that off now as well. The glue gun is heating up, and you just want to wrap that round a bit. You could leave it like that, obviously cut it and glue it in. Okay, so now I've moved to my glue gun. I'm just going to put a dab of glue here on the, wait, what I've just called the back bit, it could be the front of the pumpkin, and I'm just going to glue that string down, as you can tell, and then just going to put a bit down here just so I can secure it round. And then we're going to just, so this is my leaves obviously, I'm just going to pinch the middle together with, and then put a bit of glue on it in the middle. Well, it's going to need to punch the glue out. Oh. Okay, be careful because hot glue, the glue in the hot glue gun is hot. But there we go, I've kind of pinched it together. And then, if this is my front, you want to put a bit of glue here again. And there is your pumpkin. Actually really is cute. And there we have our finished little pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed. I am really happy that it is autumn. All the beautiful autumn colours are here and the weather is getting colder, ready for them cosy nights in. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and thanks for watching. Bye!